Jadi data nu misuse kenani apa gitu sabo control khai who is given consent control authority sabo so jadi investment sabo government okay government bus martin thaga their government to citizen citizens to government citizens to citizen also call it smart government man society ultimate society mana sih smart government semua smart nang nang nasta with smart TV nama by smartphone use kami smart India that is you have to understand our rights so shaping future policy inclusion by ke policy no include finance government policy ho sini fundamental rights ini funding indigenous technology support sini then the concern based frameworks আর প্রত্যেকটা মানে जों सेफ मा खायने cultural protocol in AI design AI नु use खायै बाइके चनि ultimately बरफ दफानि बा चिन दफानि कोनो साखाथि साइड लांनाय so in conclusion tab Simon the center indigenous support bar tongo already policy tongo and ethical AI standard tongo standard docs and kolum khaida man ab to simple the mas hanai Simon nang je AI ni standard tam data science of value abo kaisa machine learning tongo technical part cyber security part tongo so all are involved in artificial intelligence jedin artificial general intelligence nai machine chungno command dine beshi pala ge tai next to 5 years down the line 2025 tabu 2030 apro tam nai human no replace khai dine borok no replaced by AI means AI no sao sram ka borok chung samu program lekha learning lekha algorithm lekha rioi replace that means agi chung hanti type khai tabu khai hanti type ka sin so first so abongka chini future and entrepreneurs chini je micro entrepreneurs empower khaima nai e-commerce no tiyui tabu salanga je business जों फाइना नांनाय तीन बरर किंतु ताव बिजनेस खायना तब नट साइमन जे ऑनलाइन जत किछु you can sell online everything एकदम whatever product जे डिजाइन खायमानि आपन सेल खायमानु दुकान नांगियाम बागे so all are possible in this is a future trend for empowerment student ni bagi especially AI is a one of the best career hisab nai manro so asan bage hambai majo joint action committee for jorani ma bage thank you very much hambai egon second
thank you professor